In the last episode, I show you guys how you can make t-shirt designs using AI, as we made ours using ChatGPT. And I also show you how we edited this image using our program called Design Frame. And today we finally got our DTF transfers. So right now we're about to find out if you can really start a t-shirt business with just a heat press, no software, no printing machines, just that. So let's begin. All right, so I'm very excited, guys, because we finally got the transfers, and this is exactly how I thought it were gonna look. So I'm gonna try two different backgrounds. I'm gonna try a lighter color. That's the point of adding the outline, and a darker one. And actually there are two different materials. This one is 100% polyester, and this one is cotton and polyester blend, 50 and 50%. So I wanna try these transfers on those two types of materials, so hopefully I also get some data on which one lasts longer on which type of material. So let's start heat pressing. All right, as you notice, I'm gonna place a small one in the sleeve, and it's gonna be on the left one, and I'm gonna use this the shoulder line here to kind of like get an idea how centered this is going to be. I'm gonna place it more to the left of the sleeve, so that way people are able to see the design more on the front side. So I'm gonna do probably like 3 inches. So the first thing I'm gonna do, of course, pre-press the garment for a few seconds, and then I'm gonna place this logo where I want it. So let's take the measurements. Like I said, I'm gonna do like 3 inches, which is approximately how the distance that I usually do this type of designs on the sleeves. And like I said, it's not gonna be well centered with the shoulder line. It's gonna be more to the left, so that way when I'm facing front, this design, it shows up more on the front side. So now that's where I want it, and now let's do the full cycle. Now let's check it out. Oh man, this is beautiful. Let me get you a close look. All right, so it looks better than I thought. So it still has that vintage kind of look style, but it's gonna look perfect. Now I can't wait to do the front side. Now let's do that. All right, so let's pre-press for a few seconds. And by the way, guys, if you are liking this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Okay, so for the front design, which is the biggest one, I'm gonna try to center it. I'm not using the little Teflon tape that can that's sticky, that can help me to lift it up. So I'm just gonna trust my instincts. So hopefully I don't ruin it. So let's do the full cycle now. And like I said, this one is 100% polyester. It's an A4 brand. We use this brand a lot for people that want to stay cool. It's a dry fit garment, and for the price, I think it's really good. So now look at this, nice and crisp. That's beautiful. Now let's wear it and see how it looks like. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. So I don't know, you tell me what you think. I like this t-shirt. I like the contrast. So, but to be honest, I cannot wait to do it on my black t-shirt. That's my favorite color. I think this is gonna look better on a black t-shirt, but I like this one. So let's do the same process on the black one. All right, so for this one, I already pre-pressed the garment, and I'm gonna do the same thing. And I should have mentioned that this is a extra large size t-shirt. So hopefully this one turns out better. I already think it's gonna look better. Right now we're about to see the contrast that we get from a black t-shirt compared to this one. So I can't wait. Now let's see. And yes, it looks as beautiful as I thought. So now let's do the front design. All right, so I have the design where I want it, and I already double checked to make sure I align it as best as I could. So now let's do the full cycle. And by the way, we also gonna leave a link below where you can get your blanks or your t-shirts. That will give us a commission. That'll be a good way for you to support us. We really appreciate you guys. And now here comes the moment that I've been waiting for almost 2 weeks. Look at that. That's beautiful. Now I'm gonna wear it and show you guys how it looks like. I don't know about you guys, but I really love this design on a black t-shirt better. I still like that one too, but this is my favorite. Plus, I knew before I even did it because I made a mock-up or a sample of how it was gonna look like on a lighter color t-shirt and a black t-shirt. So I really like it. It turned out to be even better than what I expected. So if you haven't watched how I created this design using AI and how I use my program called Design Frame, how to edit this design, I invite you guys to watch the end screen video. So can you really start a t-shirt business just using AI and having a hit press by getting DTF transfers online? The answer is yes, definitely yes, you can. But if your customer requires certain other types of designs, you will need a software, and that is the purpose of introducing Design Frame. So it is a more affordable way for you to make designs, because Design Frame, not only you can make designs, but you can also do other things that you can do with a software. However, Design Frame, it is not a software, but you can remove backgrounds from images. You can do flyers, edit day planners, edit invoices, business cards, and you can even create your inventory page. I will be making more tutorials and videos on how or everything that you can do with Design Frame. So make sure you subscribe and like, and also follow us on Facebook and our official page on RDI Decals there, because I will be uploading more videos on how you can use Design Frame. And before we go, I want to dedicate this project, Design Frame, for my mother. For those that don't know, our mother passed away almost a year ago. So all of this was made to honor her, a good way for me to remember her, because she always encouraged us to never give up, to always come up with things that can help people. So this is the whole idea of Design Frame. So yeah, thank you guys. I appreciate your like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next episode.